In this video, I will pronounce next topic taxonomical heads. This is the part 6 of the living world. Only for this video is only for pronunciation of taxonomical heads. Okay. So let's start. Taxonomic studies of various species of plants, animals, and others organisms are useful in agriculture, forestry industry, and in general in the knowing of bioresource and their diversity. This study would require correct classification and identification of organisms require investigative laboratory and field studies. The collection of actual specimens of plants and animal species is essential and is the prime source of taxonomic studies. These are also fundamental to study and essential for training in systematic. It is used for classification of an organism, and information gathered in is also stored along with the specimens. In some cases, the specimens speci- specimens in some cases of specimen is preserved for future studies. Biologists have stabilized certain procedures and technique to store and preserve the information as well the specimens. Some of these are explained to help you understand the uses of heads. So the next topic is herbarium. Herbarium is the storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, preserved and preserved on seeds. Further, these seeds are arranged. This is the figure of herbarium showing stored specimens. According to universally accepted system of classification, these specimens along with their descriptions on herbarium seeds become a storehouse of repository for future uses. The herbarium seeds also carry a label providing information about date and place of collection, English, local botanical names, family, collector names, etc. Herbarium also serves a quick referral system of taxonomical studies. So the next topic is botanical garden. This specialized garden have collection of living plants of reference plant species. In the gardens are grown of identification purpose, and each plant is labeled indicating its botanical scientific names and its family. These famous botanical garden are at New England Indian Botanical Garden, Havra, India, and at National Botanical Research Institution, Lucknow, India. So the next is museum. Biological museum are generally set up educational institutes such as a school and college. Museum have collection of preserved plants and animals specimens for study and reference. Specimens are preserved in the containers or jar in preservation solution. Plants and animals specimens may also be preserved as dry specimens. Insects are preserved in insect boxes after collecting, killing, and pinning. Large animals like birds and mammals are usually sorted and preserved. Museum often have collection of skeleton animals too. The next topic is zoological park. Zoological park. These are the places where wild animals are kept protected environments under human care, and which enable to learn about food habit and behavior. Also, all animals is zoo are provided as far as possible. The condition similar to their natural habits. Children love visiting these parks, commonly called zoos. This is some example of zoological park: rhinoceros, swan, elephant, and tiger. So this is the last topic of the living world. Key. Key is another taxonomical aids used to identification of plants and animals based on similarities or dissimilarities. The keys are based on the contrasting characters, generally in pair called couplet. It represents the choice made between two opposite options. This result is acceptance of only one, rejection of the other. Each statement in the key is called lead. Separate taxonomic keys are required for each taxonomic categories such as family, genus, and species. Of identification purpose, key are generally identical in nature. Flora manuals, monograph, and catalogs are some other means of recording description. They also help in correct identification. Flora contact the actual account of habitat and distribution of plant of a given area. These provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. Manual are useful in providing information for identification of name of species found in area. Monograph contains information on any one taxon. So the topic is over, and in next video I will discuss in random GK science. It means general science. Yes.